Yes.
Abusia Galamsey says MD inti ebetumi atu Galamsey ase e Ghana. Wachina yakwa kwachi 1000 enda yakwa kwachi 50. Na enda de me no wuka say de eye IGP new IGP Christian Tete Yohunu ono so de insenya betudwa ahomachi ya otumi akobo operation one ne squad akobo operation akwachi Galamsey for 26 emu 18 eye Ghana for emu 6 eye Chinese for na emu 2 eye Korea for omo so omo hye ho a omo bo adwuma na busuya statement ni ba moten so no amanfo bi echire mu a se ye sama boy nko ade a ene ye unya chama wuntumi ene bo ha o bo adwuma se ye illegal man nko ade a ene chama wuntumi na busuya chama wuntumi ababe kasa ha eye GH kwabi TV so message o be subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa ja comment senya afoforo so eba omo so benya bi atie abusuya ye mbowom ye ntie se ne chama wuntumi ono so wo chie ni sim efa Galamsey sim
law Slovak. And yes, a binom yina, you better hold the woman as you use one was some grace to hold them, and some the physical distance to touch them. Because of the law, that is why I was keeping quiet. I have the legitimate, all the documents. Made me documents in Yano, maybe in Yano, and then you have the documents in Yano. We are legitimate.
Listen, a cover, yes, Tano Nomre Forest Reserve. When you account,
I'm covering a big room.
Okay.
As I see a big room, but I'm cover, baby, naming a cover a big. As I said, every last scale company be out of Kubiano. Forest need be ethical, no, because say a last scale, you know. Samson always said this slow, a big ethical. That is the truth. But I'm cover near Mrakwan, any idea of it fast for which media you were. Now we are so far. Ya Mrakwan was all fast with the best no, I didn't know.
Almost 30 some years, Minerals Commission, other institutions are more legitimate licenses. No,
last week, there was a committee. I Honorable Benito and a Dano. Osia 2 companies. Na obia so ba on find the document mra na yensase na yemfa ne everlasting solution omo ye no ana CEO for Samates ye friend century on the CEO but he's not the owner the company in Ghana for there or is a worker there ana almost no and was so yare oboni ani die kwaso obia won na kasa na so yare pa e dey na obetibaye. And we see you know the Baba say Monday. The other court also November court to be a judgment. So he got time to do the propaganda. Say a better say will be you know. Now as I say no for us the company will come once a year, you know. Are you part no question crampons for you say and no class also there. A woman's assassin boom. But the boundary no I fall into Western North. And fall it to
Western region.
I Western region.
Oh, okay.
And you know, and even some boy even trying to assassin so. I will into a for assassin so. A woman assassin in your boom, but the fear a woman, you know. This is how it is.
So, meet now, come on, Honorable Benito Asia, and some artists also acquire no judgment in your mind. And you say a dear man, see ya, Omakwashu cars now, Oman Chama meeting uncle Sone, Sa Court in some campus uncle Sono.
Masha said, Obey a police commander or what a cradia, Nassau, Omuye. And what I ye, no, say a idea that be a normal year, almost said that Omu guide that Omu walk a year, you know. Because you know, since they know that a year forest. Committee, you know, or your board member,
okay.
Okay. Or your board member, and a year, so he took the privilege and he took illegal action. I will take him to one. Why a very quiet guy, or your what I say, Nipa, Sassin, oh yeah, Samates CEO, no, oh yeah. And see, I start say, oh no, that forest commission, no, I hear your board, no one here, you know. o taking the workers ni bi yeah no wa fre yini bi o wa bra on kind of say I use so our document Akonta so our document me will leave the same document I'm to say the point is someone is not bigger than Akonta and Akonta is not bigger than you la company we need our respect and stop that seminar we know. What I say? Oh, yes, and at the gap, no, be about the booming. What I say? Because I know what back, Baba Seminema, and that's now what back, Baba Seminema, and now what you did, I say no. But from one thing, and essentially, stop that. Just stop that. You are a worker, stop that. Stop that. Stop for us to talk about law. I have the legitimate licenses. Stop that.
All right.
Stop that.
Okay, Chairman, me that say Galamsey for now. Omuso, omukwa wasase so no. Then I will catch you.
Sir, me call holu ye yinti no. Omo emi hobio. Ayade me so increasing the securities. Ewo ho eni ade aye year. Now no, baby omo aye bade bi ye no. Me report no police station. Se me saka holu ye yinu a. Asase na omo say no ni ade ye nyina no. They have to face the law because I idea in Saka names nibi any idea the police to do the investigation. Untimi nyusu wawa ho de emfanye bibi. Ya womra ewo kwemu. Enti amra kwaso ani epese yenyina no ye follow to say betimi aye. But I want to tell the public to say omo propaganda omo yenyina no. Me Galamsey. Me were last company said there last K company be Wagana, ya Murakwaso, ya Fadi, last K be and be so Anna, Aya contaminate so ever. Aye, Nanubi, Anna, Omuya, sa propaganda, Nibi, no, use and then destroy. I
Chama won't me akasa HH and Simu, so no, the one lines is our day in Ejuma. Now, one illegal mining, so what you say, or the lines is oil mining and Kasa. Now that Akonta mine now all kind of crampono. Forestry Commission for any national security for ebo wemo ho ekose almost churches e wo ho nyina SABB e wo ho nyina hye niema e wo ho.
And it was supervised by the Deputy Lands Minister in charge of Forestry, Benito Usubio, and the Chief Executive of the Forestry Commission, Mr. Alote. They supervise the burning of these structures. I must say that before this, the equipment, the heavy equipment that were in the forest, I mean, the Akonta branded excavators and other things have been tracked out. The company was allowed to track them out of the forest. And so what was left are these pumping machines, the temporary structures, that served as accommodation for the company in the forest. So as we speak, they've bent the establishments there, but we are learning from my sources there that yesterday they saw the security men of Akonta Mining Limited still in the forest there, and the explanation is that they are guarding the concession because they believe that this will end one day and they will come back to it. And so they do not want other miners to come in and mine what they have started. And so there are still pockets of security men belonging to the company, per my sources, still lurking in the bushes there.
So that Akonta mining na chama Wontumi or kase ono no lines is or the year Jumano. That mining na youth no omo some abwen so air fight against Akonta mining. Enti license na chama Wontumi se wo no. Eno no eye den abusia.
For the same company that came about some months ago that the people of Samabwe were not satisfied with, have plans underway to invade the forest right again. And so we want people in authority, people that can listen and take action against the illegality, to be aware. We are prompting them to be aware that this same company is just around, and plans are far advanced that they will invade the forest sooner or later. That is what we, the people of Samaboy, have gathered here, and we want people, the people in authority, to know that we will oppose it with full force.
The very day we see the union for Kenya, Samaboy ho, na ende, yetumi akwakoche illegal mining for omo wo ho a omo ye adwuma. Enti Ghana de obia any licenses, yes. Wo hwe Galamsey for etu ekuru omo a omo de bo adwuma e Samaboy ho na abusunya ano odi. We yenkwanti se me ameti ha se no ye kɔ ne mema mu wo hwe etuo ene akonde ekuru omo na otumi se adwuma na omo ye no enye mining na omo ye illegal mine no bi a wo ye mining de etuo de wo de ye den enye Galamsey for na omo institute abusunya yenkɔhwe se ne IGP Yohunu ono so eko bo adwuma eche that 26 for ya almost say Ghana yes policy ene ye niema yi yenkɔhwe yenhwe ani so ade so ewo ho ewo this side emra.
Go back.
Yeah, you met me here in the morning.
Yes, I met you in the morning. The whole purpose. So maybe you be security man for here or something. No. You go just understand. Let the Chinese follow. Let the Chinese follow. Hey. Huh? Yes. Nti ha moye den wa ha. Amoye den. Black.
so abusunya we nso ye de etwa gu e wo Galamsey sensemi a abai na Galamsey ne de e be ye den say Ghana ebetumi atu Galamsey ase because impanifo ne nka no kre we say me ye mining obi say me won so ye illegal mining sa na ekoso obi say nipa na me ye mining ene adwuma omo ye wo ho no wo hwe ba bia impanifo kra enam kra enye ye forest ni na asa sisi a na be kakra Ghana ye nya forest kra ye de be boy ho samrane because ye de ni nyina atu Galamsey abusunya IGP wa boy adwuma o say ye bona baso ye say ye bona baso wa boy adwuma pa AGH Kwabi TV so message so be subscribe ama me sene ye jai update bia etumu a wonso obenya bi atie ye new channel ya shase a ye build inti support ye na ye nso ye mboa ena me de obesi makra bye bye kete wo si enye dodo nwura